Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Play Store and update your TikTok app, and after that open your phone settings and scroll down and tap on app management, and here tap on TikTok and tap on permissions, and make sure to turn on all these permissions. Tap on back and tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. And after doing these steps, open your TikTok app again, and hope now you will get your repost option. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.